A routine trip to the forest turned into a nightmare for a tribal laborer on Wednesday after he was brutally attacked by a wild bear in the Debipur Taithang area under the Santirbazar subdivision. The victim had ventured into the dense forest early in the morning to collect bamboo, a primary source of livelihood for many in the region. According to local sources, while he was deep within the woods, a wild bear suddenly emerged from the undergrowth and launched a violent assault. The laborer was left with severe injuries to his limbs and body as he struggled to fend off the animal. His desperate screams for help echoed through the forest, alerting other villagers and laborers working in the nearby patches. Upon hearing the cries, a group of locals rushed into the forest. Their timely arrival reportedly scared the bear away, preventing a fatal outcome. They found the victim lying in a pool of blood with deep gashes and bite marks. The villagers quickly carried the bloodied laborer out of the jungle and arranged for his immediate transfer to the Santirbazar district hospital.
Nini loge bruk tode nong blung thamo. Nini para kha? Taithang para.
Medical staff at the facility describe his condition as serious but stable, noting that he is currently undergoing intensive treatment for trauma and physical injuries. Reported by Bikram from Santirbazar, Chini, Khorang.